Discover the magical beauty of Chyulu Hills National Park with Exodus safaris, where endless green hills and volcanic landscapes create a perfect blend of serenity and adventure. Located between Amboseli and Savo West, Chyulu Hills is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Let's begin our journey through the 10 best things to do here. First up is hiking the Chyulu Hills trails. These rolling hills offer breathtaking views of the surrounding plains, with Mount Kilimanjaro standing majestically in the distance. The fresh air and scenic beauty make every step worthwhile. Next, embark on a guided nature walk. Chyulu Hills is home to diverse flora and fauna, including rare plant species and wildlife such as giraffes, antelopes, and even the elusive leopard. A guided walk allows you to learn about the unique ecosystem from experienced guides. If you love horses, try horseback riding safaris. Imagine riding through the lush landscape, surrounded by wildlife and spectacular scenery, truly a one-of-a-kind experience. Another must-do activity is exploring the lava tube caves. These ancient caves, formed by volcanic activity, are among the longest in the world. Adventurers can delve deep into the caves for an unforgettable underground experience. Wrap up your first day with a picnic at Chyulu Plains, where the open grasslands and clear skies offer the perfect backdrop for a relaxing meal. You might even spot some wildlife while you enjoy your picnic.
Continue your Chyulu adventure with wildlife safaris. While Chyulu Hills isn't as populated with large animals as other parks, you can still spot elephants, zebras, and buffaloes roaming freely across the plains. Exodus Safaris ensures you have the best chance to see them up close. Up next is birdwatching. With over 400 bird species recorded in the park, Chyulu Hills is a paradise for bird lovers. Keep an eye out for the colorful African hoopoe, Hartlaub's turako, and various raptors. For a cultural experience, visit the nearby Maasai communities. Learn about their fascinating traditions, lifestyle, and deep connection to the land. You can also buy handcrafted beadwork as souvenirs to take home. Don't miss the chance to enjoy a sunrise or sunset viewpoint. The sight of the sun casting golden hues over the endless hills and plains is nothing short of magical. It's a perfect moment to pause, reflect, and soak in the beauty of nature. Lastly, end your trip with photography tours. Whether it's the rolling hills, unique volcanic formations, or the iconic view of Mount Kilimanjaro, every corner of Chyulu Hills is picture perfect. Let Exodus Safaris guide you to the best spots for capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Ready to explore the enchanting Chyulu Hills? Join Exodus Safaris for a personalized adventure that combines nature, culture, and unforgettable experiences.